In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a coupon code when booking on Priceline so you can save on your hotel, flight, or rental car. Let's get started. First things first, open up Priceline and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, it's really easy to create one. Signing in ensures that your booking is linked to your profile, making it easier to manage your reservations later on. Once you're logged in, you want to start your booking. Decide whether you're booking a hotel, flight, rental car, or any other service Priceline offers. It's all about what you need for your trip, so take a moment to browse your options. With your selection made, move forward to the checkout or payment page. This is where you'll be able to review all your booking details. Look over your chosen options to make sure everything looks right. Check dates, times, and any other details relevant to your booking. This step ensures there are no surprises later on. Now comes the exciting part, applying your coupon code. Locate the box that's labeled promo code, coupon code, or enter your code, depending on the layout of the page. You might have to scroll down a little bit, but it should be pretty easy to spot. Take your coupon code and type it into that box. If you've copied the code from somewhere else, you can simply paste it in to avoid any typing mistakes. Once that's done, you're going to hit the Apply button. This part is crucial because it tells the system to calculate your discount. After you click Apply, just wait for a few seconds and you'll notice your total amount update. The discount should now be visibly reflected in your final price. Take a close look to ensure the discount amount is correct and has been included in the total. This confirms that the code was applied successfully. Lastly, proceed to complete the payment. Double-check your details one last time, then confirm your booking. And there you have it. You've successfully used a coupon code on Priceline to save money on your travel booking. You can feel good knowing you've earned some savings on your next adventure. That's the whole process. In our next video, we'll cover how to find valid coupon codes and check their terms so you can maximize your savings even more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.